Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. We see some positive development on the ADA chart since the low that was formed on Thursday. Obviously, we've been looking at this as a possible 1-2 setup. Just have to repeat for anybody who missed previous updates. This rally from the 5th of July or between 5th of July and the 17th of July high is not a clear 5-wave move. This here was ideally meant to be the 5th wave, okay? So wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4, 5, one more high would have been ideal for a clearer 5-wave move. But I already mentioned I give you, I give the bulls the benefit of the doubt here, given that they have produced a possible 5-wave move up, even though it's a bit questionable with that small, tiny wave 4 here in between. But I can label that as 5 waves, and then the pullback would be here, an ABC correction in wave 2 with a possible third wave to come, which should take us to 64 cents or above. How do we measure that? Well, that's based on the length of wave 1, and we compare that with the length of wave 3. We know that a third wave should get to the 1.38 extension, so we talk about 64 cents. Within that third wave, we are dealing with 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we might only now be working on the initial 1-2 setup in wave 1. Don't assume necessarily we will see such a nice roadmap followed through along the way. Likely there will be ups and downs or even just a very direct route. Again, what really matters here are the levels, and the lower support area was already triggered. The price reacted to it in what I consider a possible 5-wave move. Looks a little bit to what the ETH chart has done here in this move up. So like a possible 5-wave move, not a beautiful one. And now a pullback, which could be corrective. Now this is obviously smallest time frame, very fragile, but we can watch for support in this area between 39 cents and 41 cents. Okay, any break below 39 cents will mean that this initial 1-2 setup on the micro level is likely going to be invalidated. The invalidation point is down here at 38 cents. Many analysts don't even show you that level of detail, so see that with a pinch of salt. Take it with caution. But yeah, don't forget your risk management, obviously. So below 39 cents, we're likely going to test the yellow box again, which would mean an extension of this wave 2, as highlighted in yellow, with an extended wave 2. As long as we're holding 34.5 cents, however, we could watch for higher prices overall in this larger 1-2 setup. And maybe the third wave has already started. Then we wanted to hold 39 cents. Now, what are the next key targets for the bulls? What do we need to watch out for today? So in the very short term, the last swing high, of course, the micro wave 1 high at 42.9 cents. That needs to break next. That's what the bulls need to take out. Above that level, it's the 45 cent level and 45.7, which is the larger wave 1 high. Let's see if we can get above all these levels. The potential is there. Important here is, as I said, the condition that the 39 cent level is holding. Any break above a wave 1 high, whether it's the smaller degree wave 1 here or the larger degree, indicates that, the bulls are in control. And obviously a break above that 45.7 cent level, which is the larger degree wave 1, will have more meaning. It is just more meaningful. So yeah, this is looking interesting now. I've added this micro support area earlier today on Discord. Remember that as silver and gold members, you get access to the live chart. So if you want to stay up to date, also if I'm moving that support area throughout the day or throughout the next week or so, depending on how long it takes, feel free to check out the membership. You'll find the links in the description. As a gold member, you get additional short-term written updates for these as well. So it is, as we're now getting into a potentially interesting phase, I think important to stay informed. I will always do my best to update here. But yeah, also on YouTube, ADA will be covered once a day. Maybe we should talk about what are the next Fibonacci resistances as well. I don't see the 38.2 extension here as too meaningful, but looking at Fibonacci confluence with what is happening here, I think the 48 cent level, which is the 61.8 extension of the initial wave 1, could be an ideal target for this smaller degree wave 1. They often are ideal targets for a wave 1, 61.8 extension levels. And if the subwaves look as if this might work out, and it seems like that, then yeah, this is something to watch out for. So again, 45.7 cents, then 48 cents. There's a lot of work to be done. But the bottom line is to understand where the price could find some resistance, and then use, if we really get a nice 5-wave move up, when we get there into this region, doesn't need to stop exactly there, but it's all about the region there. Then a pullback, if corrective, could be the next opportunity. I think today it's worth watching for possible reactions here to the orange support region. And I think we might get some volatility in again towards the end of the weekly candle. Yeah, to the weekly candle close. That's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.